Students, myself Swati Takre, your science teacher. Here in today's session we are going to revise the examples from the lesson number 11 because the today's session is of doubt clearing session. Okay student, so one of the student asked me about the explaining one example. So here I take also more examples so that you get clear idea about how to calculate the speed and the distance. Okay students, shall we start? So students, as this is the doubt clearing session, here we cover some of the examples which are related to the speed and distance. Okay students, so here first, what you have to remember before solving any type of example regarding speed or distance. Students, if you know that, we again revise it. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, while 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. If you want to convert 1 kilometer into 1 kilometer into meter, what you will do? You can multiply it by 1000, so you will get answer in meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. For 1 minute, how many hours are there? 1 upon 60 hours are there. For 1 minute, there are also 60 seconds. Okay, so from the 60 seconds we get 1 minute. Also for the 1 second, there is 1 upon 60 minutes. So this you have to remember and it will really helpful for solving the examples. Okay students, let's start with the example which we have seen in the previous sessions, but as per the doubt is there, so I take this example again and I again clear the doubts regarding this example. Okay students, so see over here, what is this example? First we will just read. A man takes a flight from Delhi at 9 a.m. Okay students, what does man do? A man take a flight from Delhi at 9 a.m. and reaches Mumbai at 11:40 a.m. So he takes flight from Delhi at 9 a.m. and reaches 11:40 a.m. So how many times it required to reach at Mumbai? 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay, from 9 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. what is time? 2 hours 40 minutes. So it takes 2 hours 40 minutes to reach at Mumbai. If the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1920 kilometer, 1920 kilometer. See students, if the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1920 kilometer, so calculate the speed of the plane in meter per second as well as in kilometer per hour units. So students, here what we have given? We have given the distance between Delhi and Mumbai, which is 1920 kilometer, while also we have given the time which is required to reach at Mumbai for that man, which is 2 hours 40 minutes. So here we have to calculate the speed in how much speed of that plane in meter per second as well as in kilometer per hour units. Okay students, so let's start to solve this. Okay, before solving, first what we have to do, you have to write first what is given over here in this example. What is given? The distance. Okay, so see over here, the distance between Delhi and Mumbai is 1920 kilometer. Okay, as we have to give answer in meter per second, so what we have to do? We have to convert this kilometer into the meter only. Okay, so how we can convert? See, in the first example I already give you about remembrance, that is 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So obviously when we have to calculate 1920 kilometer means how much meter? Here we multiply by 1000 to it and then we will get the answer in meter. So what is the answer? for 1920 kilometer, we get 19,20,000 meter by multiplying 1000. Okay, so this is all about the distance. Also, what we have given over here, we have given the time. So total time to reach at Mumbai is 2 hours 40 minutes. See over here, from 9 am to 11:40, how much time is there? 2 hours 40 minutes. Okay, so we also know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. We have to give answer in second. That's why we can convert it into the seconds only. Okay, students. So first, what we do here, the time is 2 hours 40 minutes. So we know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we have to just convert this into, if there are 2 hours, suppose 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So for 2 hours, 60 into 2, okay, plus this 40 minutes. So we will get 120 minutes plus 40 minutes, total 160 minutes. We will get total 160 minutes. So we have to convert this minute into the seconds. So here we also know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we can convert this 160 minutes by multiplying 60. So then we will get the answer in seconds, that is 9,600 seconds. Okay. So here we get the distance in meter, while the time in second and distance in meter. Now what we will do? We will do over here, the formula for the speed is equal to distance upon time. So here we have to calculate the speed of the plane, and it's equal to total air distance upon total time of flight. So here we just put the value for the distance which we get in the meter, that is 19,20,000 upon 9,600, which will get 200 meter per second. Okay, student. So first we will get over here the answer in meter per second, but we also give answer in kilometer per hour. Okay, so for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to convert this meter per second into the kilometer per hour. So what we will do, we know that 1 meter, see over here, meter per second. So we know that 1 meter is equal to how much kilometer? 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. Okay, and 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60 minutes, which is equal to 1 upon 3600 hours. Okay, 1 upon 3600 hours. So here, 1 upon 3600 seconds are there over here. Okay, students. Now we have to calculate the speed of the plane, which is given in meter per second, that is 200 meter per second. So what we will do over here, we can substitute the values of this. Suppose this is 200 into what is meter? Sorry student, what is meter? So 1 meter means 1 upon 1000 kilometer, which we will put over here, and 1 second means 3600. Okay, upon 1. So by calculating this, we will get the answer in kilometer per hour, which is 720 kilometer per hour. Okay, students, which is 720 kilometer per hour. So the speed of the plane in kilometer per hour is 720 kilometer per hour, and in meter per second it is 200 meter per second. Okay, students, I hope you got this example. Let us see next example. How much distance will be covered? How much distance will be covered in 5 hours at a speed of 55 km per hour? See students, first what we have to write, what is given over here. Okay, how much distance will be covered in 5 hours? 5 hours means here we have given time at a speed, and we have given over here a speed. So we have to find out the distance. Okay, in the previous example we find speed. Okay, in this example we find speed, and what is given in this example, distance and time. But here you have already given the speed and time, so you have to calculate the distance for this example. See students, solution. The distance covered in 1 hour. See, 55 kilometer per hour. Okay, so in 1 hour how much distance is covered? 55 kilometer distance is covered in 1 hour. So what we have to do, how much distance will be covered in 5 hours? Okay, see over here, how much distance will be covered in 5 hours, this we have to calculate. And already 55 kilometer per hour, in 1 hour 55 kilometer, so in 5 hours how much distance is covered? So we have the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. So the distance covered in 5 hours is equal to, here we take the speed is 55 kilometer while the time is 5 hours. Okay, so from that we will get, by multiplying 55 into 5 we get 275 kilometer. Therefore the distance covered in 5 hours is 275 kilometers. Okay, now next one is, a bus travels at a speed of 45 kilometer per hour. What is given over here? Speed. What is that speed? 45 kilometer per hour. So how far will it travel in 36 minutes? So we have to find out the distance, how far will it travel in 36 minutes. So here time is there, okay, time is given over here, and speed. So see over here, see students, whenever we write kilometer per hour, here we give a speed kilometer per hour. So we have to change this time, that is 36 minutes, into the hour. Okay, see over here, first what is given in this example, speed 45 kilometer per hour and time in 36 minutes. So we have to convert these minutes into the hour. Okay, so that we will get answer in kilometer per hour. See students, 36 minutes means 36 by 1 hour means 60 minutes. So for 36 minutes, how many hours? 1 upon 60 hours. So 36 upon 60, we will get 3 upon 5 hour. Okay, so we just put the value over here in the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Here we put the value for the speed, that is 45, then multiply by time is 3 upon 5 kilometer. What we will done over here, 45 into 3 divided by 5, we get the answer 27 kilometer. We will get the answer, that is distance is 27 kilometer. Okay, so how far it will travel in 36 minutes? So this bus travels 27 kilometer in 36 minutes. Okay, next, how much distance will be covered in 7 hours at a speed of 62 kilometer per hour? See students, this is also same example. For the practice, here I have taken how much distance will be covered in 7 hours. So we have to here find out first distance. What is given over here? Time 7 hours at a speed of 62 kilometer per hour. Means per hour means in 1 hour it will go 62 kilometer. The speed is 62 kilometer in 1 hour. So how much the speed in 7 hours and how much distance is covered? See students, what is solution? The distance covered in 1 hour is 62 kilometer. Okay, so we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So for distance covered in 7 hours, what we will do? Speed is 62, time is 7. So 62 into 7 means we will get 434 kilometers. Okay students, got it? So how much distance will be covered in 7 hours? 434 kilometer of distance is covered in 7 hours. Okay. Now the next one example is, see over here. Mike drives his car at a speed of 70 km per hour. Mike drives his car at a speed of 70 km per hour. Per hour means in 1 hour how much it will cover, how much have the speed? 70 km. So how much distance will he cover in 3 hours 30 minutes? So how much distance he covers? So we have to find out over here distance, and the time is given, that is 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So see students, over here, as here we have given in 70 kilometer. So we can convert this time in hour. Okay. So see over here, speed of the car is 70 kilometer per hour and time taken in 3 hours 30 minutes. So we have to convert this 3 hours 30 minutes in hours only. So 30 minutes means half hour. Okay students, 60 minutes means 1 hour, 30 minutes means half hour. So 3.5 hours time is taken to cover this distance. Okay, so how much distance this we have to calculate. See students, the distance covered in 1 hour. See, per hour means 1 hour 70 km, and the distance, so we have to find out the distance covered in 3.5 hour. So we can multiply over here speed into time, that is 70 into 3.5 km. We will get 70 into 7/2 km, that is 245 km. So the distance covered in 3.5 hour is 245 kilometers. Okay students, here I repeat, speed of the car is given in the hour, in per hour. So it is 70 km per hour. Time taken is 3 hours 30 minutes. So we can convert it into the hour. So 3 hours are there, but the 30 minutes means half hour. So 3.5 hour there. Distance covered in 1 hour is given over here, per hour means 1 hour is 70 km, and so we have to calculate distance covered in 3.5 hour. So that's why we multiply here to 70, that is to 70 3.5. So we will get 70 into 7/2, which will get 245 km. This is our answer. Okay. Now the next question is, see over here, how much distance will be covered in 1.5 hour? Here also we have to calculate distance. How much distance means we have to calculate distance will be covered in 1.5 hour at a speed of 32 meter per minute. Here not a meter per hour students. See over here. So we have to convert it first into the hours. So what is given? First write it. See you in the solution. 1.5 hour means 1 hour means 60 minutes. Okay, and half hour means 30 minutes. So here we add this 60 plus 30, total we will get 90 minutes. Okay, so what is given over here? The distance covered in 1 minute, 32 meter per minute. So distance covered in 1 minute is 32 meters. Okay, so what we have to find out? Distance covered in 1.5 hour means 90 minutes. This we have to find out. So what we will do? 32 into 90 multiply by 90, we will get 2880 80 meter of distance. Okay students, but we have to convert this into the kilometer. Okay, so how? We know that 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So we just divide this value 2880 meter upon 1000, that we will get answer in 2.88 kilometer. Okay students, I hope you will get these examples also. Okay. Now the next example is, see over here, a car travels at a speed of 25 meters per second. See students, here it is the car which is travel at a speed of 25 meters per second. So here we have given the speed in meter per second, that is 25 meters. And we have to find out the speed in kilometer per hour. Means we have to convert meter per second into the kilometer per hour, just like the first example. How we can do it? See over here students, the distance travel in 1 second is 25 meters, as there is given over here 25 meter per second. So in 1 second it travels distance 25 meters. So the distance traveled in 1 hour, because here we have to find out kilometer per hour. So distance traveled in 1 hour means in 1 hour there are total 3600 seconds. So we can multiply 25 into 36, which is distance traveled in 1 hour. Okay, we also know that 1 meter means 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So what we will do, we can multiply these 25 into 3600 into 1 upon 1000 means 1000, it is in division, that means in the denominator. So 25 into 36,000 upon 1000 kilometer, what we will get? We will get 90,000 upon 1000 kilometer, that is 90 kilometer. So we will get the distance travel in 1 hour, which is 90 kilometer in the kilometer answer. Okay students, the answer we will get in kilometer. So students, thank you. I hope you all get these examples. These examples are really very easy. If you go through each and every sentence of this example, what is given over here, what we have to find out, and accordingly how to convert, so you will also get easy to solve each and every questions. Okay students, so these are the questions which are for practice purpose. So you can just go through these examples, how we can calculate. And there is one students who have the query regarding that fourth one examples. I hope these students also get in today's session clear these doubts. Okay students, now students, what you have to do, if you have any queries regarding this, so you can send me mail. This is my mail ID. Okay students, thank you.